It would be very helpful if you first try to solve the problem yourself before watching this video.
Question 92. If the function f is differentiable for all x, which of the following is equal to f prime a? F prime a is the derivative of the function f of x at x equal to a, right? There are two definitions for f prime a. Number one is f prime a can be written with the limits as h approaches 0, f of a plus h, that's h, okay? H minus f of a over h. That's one definition. Number two, it can be written as limits as x approaches a, right? Here, f of x minus f of a, x minus a, right? So, f prime a can be written as this? No, right? No, and not h minus a. Here, b as x approaches 0. No, if it is x approaches a. Okay, so b is not true. C, limit as h approaches a. No, right? H has to approach 0. D, limit as x approaches a, f of x minus f of a over x minus a. So the answer has to be D.